Did you ever see Wall Street? It was all about stockbrokers in the 1980s, a period of rapid growth in the financial industry. Its sequel, by contrast, is framed around the financial crisis of 2008. That's the nature of the markets, a cycle of boom and bust. For most of us, the dizzying world of high finance might seem like something out of a movie. The thing is, though, what happens on the trading floor and in the corridors of power affects us all. When the financial market booms, so does the economy. In order to strategize, it's important that business owners and managers learn to appreciate how economic conditions might impact their business. Luckily, you don't need to be a financial wizard to make sense of how the economy functions. This course will help you by breaking down the fundamental economic concept of the flow of money. It almost sounds like it could be the title for Wall Street 3, right? Whether the economy is on the upswing or in recession, the thing to remember is that money never sleeps. Businesses and people are constantly trading goods and services with each other. If you can develop your understanding of the economy and how money works, you might just be able to make it work for you.